As temperatures rise, it's time to think about getting outdoors. You know what that means. Time to sit back, relax, and enjoy the warm weather in your swimming pool with your family and friends. So making sure your pool is safe, clean, and summertime ready is important.
My name is Ramuna. My boys and I just moved into this house in this wonderful backyard a couple of months ago. We are looking forward to this big swimming season up ahead, and I'm really excited to have a pool for the first time, and I want it to look good, but I also want it to be safe.
Whether you're a new pool owner or have had one for a while, proper pool care is essential. That's why we're turning to a pool expert from HASA. They've been a leading producer and distributor of high-quality water treatment solutions since 1964. Recognized industry-wide as the premier source of sodium hypochlorite sanitation and shock solutions, they know a thing or two about pool care products.
Hey Jake, thanks for coming over.
Hey Ramuna, it's good to be here. The backyard's looking incredible.
Thank you for helping me do this. Having my beautiful pool is very important to me.
Of course. Well, I understand that you have some questions about how to properly care for your pool. Is that right?
Yes. It's wonderful having you here once a week, but if there's something that I should be doing, I want to be aware of that.
I recommend, having someone come at least once a week to just maintain proper pool care, but there are certain things that you can do to kind of maintain it on your own and just kind of educate yourself more on proper pool care.
It's not that difficult, but there are a handful of things you should probably get comfortable doing. First of all, testing your water and feel comfortable what balanced water looks like. Shocking your pool once a week to help oxidize any contaminants that might be in the pool that you don't know about. And then brushing your pool is very, very essential.
I keep hearing everyone talk about shock. What is that?
Essentially what you're doing is you're putting enough chlorine into the water to oxidize out very stubborn contaminants and really sparkle up that pool. So if you want that diamond sparkle in the pool, you get that through oxidizing. And you can do that with chlorine or even a non-chlorine shock.
It can be a little bit complicated at first, but with the right tools, keeping your pool clean can be completely manageable and something that you can do on your own. Especially, I understand you're going to be entertaining here a lot, having guests over. One really simple and easy way to maintain proper water balance is to install a liquid feeder.
Yeah, can you tell me a little bit more about the liquid feeder?
The HASA liquid feeder is a state-of-the-art daily sanitizer system designed to automatically feed swimming pools using their high-performance liquid sodium hypochlorite. Ideal for pool professionals or pool owners looking to keep pools safe, clean, and clear without the hassle of increased CYA from Sani-Clor tablets. It's simple, eliminates the need for tab floaters, and is very easy to install.
So how often do I need to put the Sani-Clor in here?
I recommend for yours, probably about every 2 weeks.
Great, seems easy.
Yeah, super simple.
Pools are in all shapes and sizes, but typically the average size pool is about 20,000 gallons. And the rule of thumb here is it's 1 gallon for every 10,000 gallons of water you have. So in this case, 2 gallons.
So what's the difference between the liquid chlorine versus the tablets I've seen other people use?
The main benefits to choose HASA Sani-Clor over Sani-Clor tablets are highest available chlorine, fast-acting, safe to use and transport, no cyanuric acid, and it provides a beautiful crystal clear look to the water.
Thank you, Jake. I really appreciate you showing me all those tips and introducing me to this liquid chlorine. I didn't realize how easy it could be for me to actually help take care of this, of course with you still coming once a week.
Of course. Don't worry, I'm not going anywhere.
Okay, so I'll see you next week.
Same time next week.
Awesome, thank you.
Of course.
Pool looks amazing, and it's been so much fun to have my kids jumping in and out with all their friends today. I'm so thankful that Jake was able to come here and show me all these great tips on how to keep it clean. I would definitely recommend it to my friends who have pools, although I kind of don't want their pool to look as good as mine.
To learn more about pool care solutions we've discussed today, visit hasa.com or our website, designingspaces.tv.